Ooh, juicy videos.
All right. Oh no, you don't want that paint.
What is that?
No, you don't want that
What
paint.
is that?
That's geometry.
That's
Practice test.
practice.
You want this one.
No,
Yes.
no.
All right. As promised, listen, please. We don't truly need 2 days of review. It's not that you probably don't understand what you're doing. I think most of you understand exactly what to do. 4 steps. Solve for y, table of pain, plots of points, connect the dots. Whether it's 1 line, 2 lines, find the intersection, or the inequality ones where you're shading, right? It's the same process. Now, granted, the inequality ones add the complexity of, I got to know whether it's solid or dashed, and then picking a test point and shading top, bottom, left, right, whatever it is side you're shading. But the issue is, or what doesn't change, is those 4 steps. All right. Yes, there's a couple ridiculously simple questions like plotting points, reporting points, finding quadrants. You've already seen this review sheet once. Small, stop. The only thing that I'm going to do is simply, I just hit a button that says regenerate the questions. Takes the same format, just makes 2 questions. So the deal is no different than what we did on Friday. For the most part, Jaden, you were giving me a. The only difference between Friday and today is that it's just different numbers. Okay. The only difference between Friday, Monday, and tomorrow is different numbers. If you look at this right now and you can finish this in 30 minutes and you got everything right, then you should just say, Mr. C, just give me the A. I already know I'm going to get an A. However, as you take this review sheet and you get numerous problems wrong, and you're not asking questions, why am I getting this wrong? What am I doing wrong here? Shame on you. You're not doing your job as a student. If you get something wrong and you, oh, wait, I negatives on this side, well, then obviously you know what you're doing wrong. Those are the things that you need to pay attention to and write notes to yourself for tomorrow's test. Hey, be careful when it's the values of the point are both negative. Now, they all live in quadrant 3 or whatever it takes for you to get that one correct. You know what your mistakes are. The reason why we have you graph 3 points is so that there is a chance that you'll figure out you just made a mistake. You graph 3 points and it doesn't make a straight line, there's an error somewhere. Unfortunately, the error could be you solved for y incorrectly, you evaluated incorrectly, or you graphed the points incorrectly. So occasionally, not often, but occasionally I had a kid that did all 2 right. They solved for y correctly, they put their table of pain is correct, and they literally graphed the point in the wrong position, occasionally. Most of the time that there's a mistake in table of pain, it has to usually to involve negatives. Fractions involved, just remember you're going to pick the denominator and it's negative and 0. Those will be your 3 points. We're going to do a review sheet today. Same drill as we did Friday. Please ask questions. I'm going to have this up here. If there's something that you need help on, you're going to say, Mr. C, how do you do number 12? We'll do it together. Online learners, the same as you. If you have any questions, it's already up there on Teams. Pull it up, look it over, ask a question. Jaden, what's your question?
So on the back of the thing, so on the first question, it's like 5 points. Why was it in the middle?
What do
Like
you mean
for
in the
the
middle?
answer sheet, the points were
I have
in the
no idea.
middle.
I have no idea. The other thing too is that when you're checking the answers, remember a couple times they do their graph, not the you answer the question, but their answer sheet. That each block is 2 instead of 1. What?
Can you use my 1 point on this one?
Absolutely.
No.
All right. Any questions? All right. I'm not saying we got to be perfectly quiet, but I am saying, as I said on Friday, you should be working. It shouldn't be me having to encourage you to do your job as a student, which is work. If I have to tell you to be quiet, you're not doing your job. Do your job. And it's because there's graphs, not because there's that many problems.
Why is it speaking from
Why is it?
Sleep is so small.
Because all of you walked in my class and said, it's burning up hot, oh my God, turn the temperature down. So I turned the temperature down, you lying.
I'm hot. I'm hot.
The first 3 people that walked in the room said, oh my God, it's burning up in here.
It's so cold. I am freezing.
All right, it's back to what it was at the start. It'll take a couple minutes. You guys will be whining, it's too hot here. All right, get to work. Any e-learners online right now? All right, make sure you ask questions. I'm unlike what I normally do, which is turn the video off at this point. I'm gonna let the video run for the entire class. The only time I'm going to talk is if someone has a question and we can go over. If you have a question, same thing. Hey, how do you do number 15 or whatever? You have 2 eyeballs. You get 1 for each.
One for each? I could do that. Pass it out.
Is the day the 26th?
25th.
I think I deserve 3.
Yes. So it is both classwork and it is homework. You may finish the whole thing. You still have homework. Your homework is review this, be ready for the test. Make a resource card. Hey, Lane, turn around. You're freaking around. Make a resource card. You can have multiplication table, all that jazz. Just make sure that your resource card is for you. Don't make a resource card simply because I said to make one. Make one if it's helps you.
This is so easy. We'll get A's on every single
Yes.
So I was like looking at like what makeup work and stuff like that, and I didn't get it.
I think you're missing 1.
Yeah, I'm missing like 8.3.
Okay, I'll give it to you.
I've never done this. Please.
Is everybody good to get started? Anybody want to see one done?
Yes.
Starting to get
So
warm.
easy.
Jana, you good to get started?
It's freezing to death. I'm really cold.
We need to plot 10-1. 10-1. Remember, my suggestion for all of these is to make sure that you label. So for instance, maybe not for each one, but for at least a couple of them, you write X, Y. So if there's a chance that you'll get this right. X says go all the way over to 10. Well, there's 10. Y says go up to 1. And there I am. Label it point J. There you go.
Oh yeah, I had a question.
Well, you did the first one wrong.
I did? That's one thing.
Label it X, Y, not YX.
What's today?
Today is Monday the 25th.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
How do we circle our phones like our answers?
You don't. You just need to put it on this like this. I'll be able to read.
This one?
Label X, Y.
Yeah, I did.
No, right here. Above the 10 and the 1, so that you have a chance of getting it correctly. Put X, Y. Now you have a chance. Oh, X value 10, and you wouldn't have gone up to 10 because that's Y. Look, this is Y right there. So yeah, that was right. Now label it. Okay. The next one, X, Y. Actually, you got that one right.
Yeah.
Now just do the rest of them.
Scary.
I'm looking at Kai doing his work. Occasionally, on the ones where I have you like graph points, I'll have some student make a silly mistake and like, you just skip one. So Kai was like crossing out as he did one. That's a smart thing to do.
Kai's a big green.
Oh yeah.
2 times -1. What's 2 times 1? So it can't be two. That's what I'm saying. You need to write it out. Try not to do it in your head. It's off the side, correct? Or you can say 2 negative 1. Yeah. Say again? So we clearly have mistakes.
You just gotta
So,
move like.
where did you solve for y?
Yeah, I'll be able to. I'll be able to come to
Where
your.
did you solve for y?
No.
Believe it or not, I'll say out of birth. When I was
Just say.
So.
And then you're gonna get
It doesn't even know where.
Blue House
Exactly.
next to Logan's. Yeah.
I already know where Logan
Bro,
was.
Logan is like coming to my house. It's starting to kind of freak me
I know
out.
80 minutes of the last year. I know
Give
where.
me one of them,
Macy
and I'll show you what needs to be.
Oh, you know where Mason
Yeah,
lives?
so
What color
past
is
your
your
house
house?
across the road.
What color is your
Equals what?
house?
I don't know what color it is.
You need to read this
Road
first.
that to the right. It's like
Before you do
down.
any table thing, you need to get y by itself.
Wait, on stick. Let's go. Just go on.
It's
Go
like
on stick.
it's going to your house.
Okay.
Keep going across that little main road.
That's why it's called right.
First street on the right. Goes down a little bit. No, I don't.
Now what?
I are going to raise your house.
Now what?
Use Christian play.
Hey, in the back, get to work. I don't see a pencil moving. I don't care, you're turned around talking to me. Jenna doesn't have a pencil in her hand. Get to work.
My other.
What are we doing now?
If I did A, yes, I scored it, then I'm get a new one.
You get y by itself. Now what?
It's something you don't have.
How is 3 attached to y?
Probably never
Should
will.
I move this thing?
How is it attached?
Wait, no, you're farther away from me, so
I'll
just.
give it a multiplication. I'm going to divide everything by it.
So I'll be able.
This is your shape on every problem you did. 3 divided by 3. Can't take less than y. Can't divide negative 2 by 3, so it's negative 2x over 3.
I know,
3
she's
divided by
like
3.
crazy fast and
You're
everything.
crazy. That's what you're
That's
doing.
all. Wait, that's right. No, that's fine.
Mr. Chartier,
Hey,
I think I might be going.
Oh, yeah, we know.
you might be what?
I think I might be going insane. I keep hearing my name, but no one's saying my name.
Jaden.
Hey, Jay, just get to work, please.
Jaden.
I need too long.
That's me.
Okay, it's becoming a grandpa like
Yes,
that.
no?
1, 2, 3.
Jaden.
Jaden.
Yes, no?
Jaden, we.
Never call me that.
Jaden.
Never call me.
Jaden the waiter. Jaden waiter. Oh god.
Like you give me out like.
Jaden waiter. Chicken. Jaden. Jaden.
Oh, okay. Where is it? Where is it? Where is this one? In number 2, that's it.
Okay, actually, I'm just guessing there.
Okay,
I was just
well,
guessing. Like the day that you're at the party. Like I saw Macy go that way, so I was
She
guessing
was
you had
coming.
to go like.
Yeah, you guys were like waiting. Kind of waiting right next to me.
Oh, Jackson. If I move, I'll be able to have a new phone. Some spare.
When we went to that
A arcade with all
you guys tried to scare me. I just saw Christian and I was like,
Like a full board.
yeah, that's for like
We played football game Tuesday.
I'm mad.
That was Saturday.
Does Brecken have a
No, but we came to school and we played
I
basketball.
didn't get to come.
And I didn't miss because I drank my tea.
Oh yeah, dude, that green, that raspberry sweet.
I didn't miss.
Then it's one. Because then I would come during the summer.
Yeah.
You like, I hope someday I don't get too much, yeah, so that you don't want
I got you. Yeah,
Where did I say you probably make a mistake? Negatives.
Wait, are there spectators?
Solve for y. Solve for y. Table values.
Imagine.
Right? Three numbers in between. Always negative 1, 0, 1, unless there's a fraction. If it's a fraction,
I've crossed you up though.
what's that number? Negative 3, 0, 3. If there's no fraction, negative 1, 0, 1. Only does it It's your second.
Wow. Imagine being tied.
You don't know.
Kai, do you want some free?
No, it'd be a bad idea. I know where Jake was. Do you know Jake was talking about? With Jake. I know. He was right next to me. It's like on
The rest of you have three mistakes. Solve for y. Table of 8, incorrectly. And the third mistake was.
I was thinking your neighbor.
This is one of those graphic correctly.
Who?
Let's see, 0,
So
1.
if I
Do you not have your own wedding? You sit on the couch.
0, 1.
Yeah.
I know, and it's only zeros and ones in the past.
Mike?
And
It's
the
kind of.
only issue
How am I-
point is that, okay, great, we know there's something wrong.
My dad never, gosh, I swear I'm never using my
So if you
Dad's always
ever do this, you can't figure out.
I have a
I guarantee you that you'll figure out. this point. But with 3 points, you could have been anyway.
Dude, I hate my
But this is the hard part.
I live by everyone I hate.
I have my
No.
I live by the
You're trying
population.
to fraction.
I have a PlayStation 5. Xbox. Right now.
Negative 1. This is what the X is. So 2 times. Minus that.
My aunt, who I really don't even talk to, I don't even know my mom's
So
that's my mom's dog.
So
My mom's adopted.
times the X value, which in this case is.
She was 12.
Tommy.
No, because my mom was, my grandma, my real grandma had my mom at 12.
Yes. Okay, then you just do that.
Wait, actually.
Lucia, what do you call it? What for taking a selfie? A family photo.
Wrong,
I got something for you.
2 times 1.
So we got
I'll have a cart.
Really
I already have a partner.
Stop.
Negative
I also have a,
Country right now.
a pond kind of reservoir.
Bro, if I got a dollar for every brother from me,
So I should-
Dude, some guy let his dog swim in there one time.
So, but you're adding.
And I was just like,
He's gonna drown.
no, it was just, it's non-potable water.
Dogs are drown.
It's non-potable water.
So that would be like.
They're not being allowed.
It's non-potable water. And it's also super cold, so you get numb right away.
2 times X.
Have you ever?
Oh,
No, I just said you'll get numb and you'll drown. Your body won't be able to carry it.
2 over 3x can also be written as 2 over 3 times x over y. Are lazy and choose not to write like this. You put the x in the middle. This is what it means. 2 times x divided by 3.
I'll be able to go.
There you go.
Yeah, put it over there.
Yeah, I moved
So my
from,
dad gave me
I was actually used to live like down the street from Gabby.
100%.
And then I moved in 2nd or 3rd grade, and now I live next to literally everyone I hate. So,
Have you ever been to
I don't have any
Oh,
family
I
members.
was- Right, hold on. My girlfriend got go, so still her wheelchair. We'll continue calling back. Did you get it? Could you tell why? No, no, I just thought I heard.
You'll get better at it the more you do, but if you don't, if you try doing your head, you get confused.
Wait, so you just leave that alone for
This is so hard.
Jackson.
It just means-
If he was rolling.
Because there was a whole.
Shows 2, 4, 0.
Oh, I.
It's dark.
So, 1 times 2 is.
Oh, I got another one that's like.
Yeah.
type of photo. Like, he's like, your mom knows
So
Okay, why do you keep talking about why you're moving? Why are you showing your gum like that? Is that the mouse with the saying in it?
We'll learn that.
He's a Tom.
that stupid thing I've heard about.
Is it like that? Oh, yeah.
It's so crazy.
No.
Bro, why?
You don't get it.
Oh, yeah.
Because I'm not gonna be there, luckily, at your house, right? That'd be creepy.
And working. I'm working so hard right now. Someone tell me that. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's
Negative 1 will be negative 2.
some Jessica King problems.
So negative 2, no, 2 times, 2 times negative 1.
Oh, okay, take those in. She probably laughed so freaking hard.
Oh, minus 2.
Hi. All the I got eating the burger.
Happy and more.
And then if I later, that'll be 9 million.
Why are you still talking to me about why
9
you're
million times harder than
And don't say anything else. No,
I
no,
Miss Green.
stop. Stop.
Mr. Green, you mean, dog.
Yeah.
At home it is green. At school it's green bean. Of course. No, at home it is green bean.
You have
I'm a
children.
Stop.
Hi. What's your 2 children? 2 children. Green and Beach.
Stop.
Miss Green and Miss Green. Ah!
Are you guys just gonna keep bullying me all day?
Up until.
Just for the day. Just
Just
for the day.
day.
On your next paper, just write at least the agreement.
No,
I
no,
dare
I'm not doing that, no.
I asked you to
Or
turn
Mrs. Green.
Yeah.
and put your mask on, please.
Oh my god. What about Kai? What about Kai?
Diana, put your mask on.
There you go. Mrs. Green.
Jaden,
I asked this question.
Jaden, Jaden, I'll help.
Oh, 1, 2, 3.
So all we're gonna do is pick 3 numbers.
Oh, this is Mr. Mrs. Hauser. That's Mrs. Miller. No, Mr.
No, it's actually not her last name.
What's her last name?
Wow, Jackson.
It's literally not.
Mrs. Bolte.
I'm pretty sure it's
You said you're up so bad.
Yo, what's the band last name?
Those are literally
Savannah.
Jackson.
She lives.
For sure, okay.
Carson told me that he hates it when you guys call him reading, but he likes to keep it.
I'm gonna go beat him up.
Yeah, I open up.
Minus two.
You know, because you're always using the same phone numbers, but if you're using interaction, find something. That's the easier part, because then it's easier to get rid of.
That is correct. Signs saying you always have some man.
You guys are bullying.
I'll tell you what about that the other day. About that, like,
Okay, you're supposed to.
are you?
With a fraction, the only difference
I'll tell you.
Yeah, well, yeah, he's like, sorry, you
Bro, he was like, you're like, go sit down, do your work.
Yes, I love it here, dude.
I was like, are you fat?
I know.
On the foot.
Oh,
Yes, I went down there while it was happening.
Yeah. You did it?
Thank God our house didn't.
the whole thing's over.
bruh, there's a piece of little lead in here. It's
Imagine
just
this little-
stop that. It won't get out. Okay.
Two green, but once you
One.
Mr. Hauser.
Two points.
Either one. Let's just do one. Negative one times. That's not a fool.
Where do you think I went? Right,
Minus
I
one.
was.
And like I said, there's a lot of
Just
negative.
My dad was having so much trouble finding your
Less
house, and
chance
I
of
was
making
like, it's over here. He's like, "Oh, it's not."
Two times.
Go over it, like I used to play like.
Bruh, are you on something? Yes. I was talking to Mace's parents, and they were talking about how much they hated Calvin.
Oh, man.
Well, that's because they're Hispanic. Oh my God.
Hold on, I'm trying to figure this out. -2 divided by 2. That'd be -1 plus 2.
That's not.
3.
Did you just say it? French accent?
Espanol what?
I just said, Espanol in a French accent.
I said I speak give me the baguette. Just spaghetti and meatballs.
For this, you do both of you with a
Bro, honestly, spaghetti and meatballs.
Stop, you're gonna make me cry again.
This
You're gonna make me cry, stop.
I
Stop for a salad. I cried over a barbecue stain on your shirt.
One guy watching like
You were at our table the day it happened.
Tasty and delicious for only.
It was at lunch and they were like smacking each other with like
I was so bad. I was like,
the baguettes. The baguettes. Give me the baguettes.
don't cry.
Why are you guys bullying so much?
Did I make you like
Parker, Howard,
Which is what?
do stuff like that?
Okay, fine, do it, say it.
oh, Howard. Parker and this deer are dating.
You guys are dating? Jay, go kiss your fucking.
Oh my god. This is why I didn't want to.
Yeah, because he was like,
We were gonna try and like let him figure it out. That's so crazy.
3 days after. 3 days after.
I came out at like 4 in the morning. I came out at 4 in the morning. We don't have to talk about it.
So I'm gonna do.
Was he like, yes.
And I just
Stop, Liberty, stop.
I slipped too.
Stop.
I was a genius. How about
And then go to the other one. Pick 2 points. Calculate the slope. Rise or run. What?
You go up before you go over it.
Rise over run.
Then I would get it on.
Show me where there's a T. Show me. You did run over rise. Rise over run. How much do you go up or down over how much you go left or right?
The other day, my mom was
Jackson, are you going to Italy? Jackson, are you going to Italy?
Maybe.
I will come and I will say to the restaurant server, give me the spaghetti and meatballs. Dude,
Bro,
we should
I'm
go
gonna
to
bring my backpack. My suitcase need to be No, you don't get it.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah, but we should yeah, I'm gonna show her my
Only the
Bro, I swear, if you throw my bag at me, I'm good.
Turn around, get to work.
This That's such a
Yeah, Forge is a mega fence. Like, yeah, cool.
You guys are perfect.
Why are you so silent? Because you guys were like, don't stop talking. Like, it's just hard to know.
Are you always gonna put it over in the?
Hey, everybody, time out. We've de-evolved into nothing but talking. I don't see any working. You got no pencil in your hand, and you're definitely not doing math. Use your time wisely. Get back to doing what you were the first 20 minutes, which was some pretty good work. Say again? What kind of line is it? What? Other names. Tell me where the horizon is. Where's the horizon? What is the horizon? Which way does it go? You don't know what horizon is, do you? When somebody says, look to the horizon, what do they want you to do? Where is the line? They want you to look at it. Where? Yeah. So which way did your pencil just go? That's horizontal. By the way, when somebody asks you to look at the horizon, it's where the earth meets the sky. That's the horizon. It's not up. Yeah, but the horizon's not up there. The horizon is the imaginary line where the earth meets the sky.
There's no line. So it comes up with the.
What? Listen to me. It's the imaginary line where the earth, where's the earth?
Here.
Meets the sky. Where's the, it doesn't meet above our heads. Where's, you said the earth is below our feet. Where does that meet the sky?
Over there.
Wow. All right.
I'm sorry. Okay, it's all the sky is all around. Look out the window.
Agreed, but that's not where the earth meets the sky. The earth doesn't meet the
will
sky.
never meet the sky. It
You
meets
look at the
it
horizon.
at the horizon.
This is the horizon. Hey, there's no building. Hey, there's a person, right? This is the horizon.
That's a really good one.
Yeah, but it's never gonna meet the sky. The earth would never gonna meet. Are you sure?
Horizon is where the earth meets the sky.
I thought they had.
Get to work. What's up? It is curved. It is curved. But when you say horizontal, that's where the words come in. Yes. So I was trying to get him to realize that horizontal and horizon are the same roots. Right.
Also, why is this one less why we use this entire
Hey, turn around, get to work.
What is it? 0, 0?
So in your book, notes, I said it at least 4 or 5 times. We talked about vertical lines, we talked about horizontal lines. The slope of all vertical lines is.
Oh, Joe, I'm done.
Nope.
Let's go.
Nope.
Is it like infinite motion or something?
You say undefined.
Oh, undefined.
Stop. Is that a vertical or horizontal line? What? What word do you think about when I say the word horizontal?
0.
The horizon. Yes, the slope is 0. For a horizontal, wait. Look at the line. Okay. No, you're fine. I just want you to wait. So, horizontal or vertical? Slope is 0. Horizontal or vertical? Slope is. So here's the math. Yes, you have it. Here's the math behind it. You know that slope is always rise over run. So horizontal line has no rise or run. Has no rise or run. What does it not do? Doesn't go up or down. So rise is 0. On a vertical line, it has no, it runs on the bottom. And the issue is that you can have a fraction of 0 on the top. You can't have a fraction of 0 on the bottom. That's why a vertical line, undefined, horizontal is 0. It has a run. So for instance, the run could be 10. 0 divided by 10 is 0. So horizontal lines do have a slope of 0. Vertical lines do not, because you get a fraction of 0 in the denominator, which you can't have. Yeah.
You just
Today's 25th.
What's common top?
actually.
It's common top.
I don't know, come here, look.
It went. It doesn't know.
Sit, all of you. Sit.
Oh, Jackson's fault. Oh, Jackson's fault. What category is the hot dog in?
Instead of giving me going.
Is it the sandwich or the taco?
Yeah, because no, because tacos.
Oh, you're done, that's it.
Yeah.
Bro, I found the star dish.
I was like,
It looks like a Star Destroyer.
You know, I don't want to make it come. I will destroy you.
It's a Star Destroyer. Wait, Colin, can I see it?
I got worked out.
Can I see it? No, I want to see it. Throw it at his head, it'll bounce right off.
No!
You should have thrown it at his head. It would bounce off. That's what I said.
My turn.
Where's the start? Bro, you're like.
Just cracked his fingers.
How bad he cracked his fingers. No basketball for you.
I graduated from college. Get my fingers.
No, this is not my face.
You hit her in the head with that, I'm gonna smack you.
She was back east, she was back in, and she'll pick it.
I'm going.
No, my shoe's going straight to his head.
Lift this one.
Hey,
When she comes up.
Where's the other one right there, Colin?
you got it all right?
Yep.
So you're gonna get an A?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is this one gonna be-
My sock.
The last one is active testing. So for instance, I don't know, let's say your line goes like this. It's true or false. And if it's true, then that's the side.
It's a Disney character running that loud.
Where's your stuff? All right, let's see it. And I've asked you 3 times to turn around and put your mask on. You've done none of that. Right? 5, work. Yeah, do them. What numbers are you gonna pick? No. What numbers are you gonna pick? That's right. You haven't finished anything. You just lied to me. You said you were finished and blatantly you're lying. All right, we're gonna have a conversation after school.
Not handle your kid back.
He is not my kid.
Hey, look, I'm moving back on person.
I'm gonna tell Parker you said that.
I'll tell him. I want to tell him that.
I just got it at ours.
Stop. He's so yours. He's so yours. He looks more like you.
My mom made that.
I don't have breakfast. He does. Like, you see his shoulders.
No,
My God.
no.
You got the.
How do you know?
Yeah, we trained together. Apparently, I am.
You're not. It's you and Gabby. No, it's nice. No, go to Jackson. Whatever. He is not mine.
Oh, come here, you gotta go. I got that.
Your dog is.
No.
You're lame.
Hit him in the head with it. It's gonna bounce right off. Head. Do it with the head.
Keep working. Come on. Except for last step. All right, solid. Solid or down. If you can get 0, 0, 0, 0, pick another number. And then if the test point you think is true, that's the start of the shade. If the test point is false. What you do? Now do work. You gonna use this stuff? Yep. You're done. What? Exactly the same way you did when I opened all. Yeah. I mean, that part doesn't change. Ignore the less than or greater than. Just pick 3 points, grab it.
No, it isn't.
Now it's working. Let's go. Eyes on the road.
No, don't go erase that grandpa. I get hurt the first time.
Grandma.
Whoa, wait.
Daddy left us. My dad.
No, your dad went to the store to go grab milk and he never came back.
What do you mean, bro? You went to go hook up with your mom.
It's when I got 2.
Oh.
That's how they do it. No, actually, I talked to 2.
That's a bad question. That was a long question. And then you do that.
You want pink?
Maybe I'll fall.
I dare you to
You're not talking. Get your stuff out. Keep working. Solid line. Pick test point. 0, 0. Now put 0, 0 back in the correction. Make X and Y 0. X and Y. And true or false. Times 0. True or false. Look to the back, that's what it is. All right, you learners, I'm gonna stop right there. If you have any other questions, make sure you ask.